In this video, I'm going to show you a no loss pocket option strategy. And as you can see in my screen, lots of trades are profitable, and these are the exact trades that were made by using the exact strategy that I'm going to show you in this video. And about these results, I have already posted a video yesterday, which you can go to my YouTube channel and watch it, okay? Or at the end, you can see this video appearing anywhere at the screen. You can click on it and watch that video. But for this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy that I have used to make these kind of profitable trades with that simple strategy. And this strategy is so simple that anyone can start to use right after watching this video. So do watch this video very carefully. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair favorite that has 92% payout, OTC currency pair. Okay, so if you make this currency pair favorite by making these stars yellow in this way, let me click it and it will start to appear at here. Once you do this much, then just click on these candles and select this candle and make it S5. So your candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now another thing you need to do is you need to, if it is flag at here, make sure it is clock, make it clock, and then select S5. Your trading time frame should also be of 5 seconds. And then you decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So let's say for this trade we are going to invest $200 per trade. Now it's time for you to put this indicator. Just click on these indicators and select this parabolic SCR. Now if you see my videos, recent videos properly, I'm only talking about this strategy and this indicator. There's a reason, okay? Because most people who are absolutely beginner and they are making trades by using this strategy, and they all are profitable, maximum of them, okay? And now not all of them are going to get this kind of result, but overall results are seems to be profitable, because I keep on getting messages like your parabolic SCR strategy is giving us a good result, okay? That's why I am recreating this video, because it is actually working for most of the people, okay? Now I can create lots of strategies related to various trading with the various trading indicators, okay? But if you learn it and if it doesn't work for you, then there is no meaning to make those kind of video. That's why I am only making these strategy videos which is related to parabolic indicator, okay? So watch this video very carefully to understand how this strategy actually works. Now let me explain you this strategy. So let's go to this currency pair firstly. So see, whenever the parabolic SCR dots are below these candles, then that means it is an uptrend. And whenever these parabolic dots are above the candles, and that means it is a downtrend. Now whenever these parabolic SCR dots are below these candles, okay, and whenever you see this second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. Similarly, whenever these parabolic SCR dots are above the candles and you see that second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. This strategy is as simple as this. Now if you start to use this strategy in your demo account, then you'll quickly realize that you are going to make profit. And if you see, sometimes you can make loss, okay, in overall result, okay, but most of the time when you trade with this strategy, their results are going to be positive. Now if you remember, I have told previously you need to put all of these currency pair at here, and there is a reason for that which I'll explain you after some time, okay? But before that, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then you can join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Just follow the instructions there and start to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account to get the results like this. So here you can see there is one dot, okay? So now I'll make another there another dot have formed. That's why I made a trade by clicking on higher, okay? Now this trade has gone wrong, as you can see here, but it shouldn't stop you. Here you can see second dot have formed. If you had made a trade at here, okay, then also we could have made loss. So some charts are unstable, okay? That's why you need to put lots of charts at here, and you need to keep on switching in this way. And whenever you see the possibility of second dot be forming, here you can see if you had made trade at here, then you could have made profit. So let's see for an opportunity. Here you can see there was a second dot, but we missed it, and it is a good thing, okay? We didn't suffer the loss at here. these things happen while trading with this indicator because time frame is too short. So let's keep on searching for the place where we can make the trade. So just keep on switching. Here you can see here we missed the trade and we could have gone in loss at here, but we avoided it. Okay, so let's keep on searching for more. Here you can see I'll make a trade because here you can see second dot had formed. Okay, and we made, okay, so it was neither profit nor loss, it was a refund.